So Jamaican crowd favorite and mile relay bully Javon Donkeyman Francis is set to miss the national trials due to injury. All Jamaican people love and appreciate Donkeyman as the athlete who best epitomizes the Jamaican spirit. His humble simplicity mixed with that blue collar, grit and fight and determination. So it is disappointing that the team could be heading to the World Championships in London without our most popular and best mile relay runner. I mean, Donkeyman has shown that all them need to do is to get him the baton within reasonable striking distance, and a medal is almost guaranteed for Jamaica. So with just over 6 weeks to go to the World Championships, Donkeyman does not qualify for a medical exemption because he is not ranked in the top 3 in his event. But we understand that he should reasonably be back to full fitness by August. Now, with all due respect to the new wave of young quarter milers, Demish Gay, Nathan Allen, Akeem Bloomfield and company, we don't know how these youngsters will cope with the rigors and the pressures of the big stage. And as the Maverick, me I try think out of the box to find some kind of extenuating loophole to get Donkeyman Francis in that relay squad and onto that plane to London. You know what I mean? These circumstances are extenuating, and Donkeyman named Mr. Mile Relay Medal. And guess what? Me have a serious recommendation to make. That's Rasheen McDonald, a.k.a. Big Boy, who is coming back to full fitness. Big Boy, do something for your country. Yes, yes, yes. Make the top 6 at trials and get Donkeyman your spot. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, Big Boy, do that for your country, and me guarantee you, I will make sure you get a statue. What is about that?